Hey guys, Nick with Sellers Arena here, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how you can send out a review request, a seller feedback request, or maybe reach out to a customer after they've purchased to send them instructions, etc., without using pretty expensive tools like Helium 10. So this is going to come in handy if you're, maybe you're a newer seller or you just have a smaller store for now and you're not ready to invest in a bunch of tools to run your Amazon business. So that said, let's just hop right into it. And so first thing we're going to do is we're going to get into the manage orders page. So you're going to come up here and just type in orders. I'll just show you how to get here and just search. And it's going to bring you right here. And just go to the manage orders, and that's going to bring you to this page right here. Now, you probably don't remember every single order ID. So the easiest way to do this, and this is going to be super simple if you have a smaller account like we're talking about, just put in your product name. In this case, this is a huge account, so I'm going to look for the shampoo in this account just for something simple, and we're looking at a May date range here. And so basically once you're here, you can go order by order and click on the order, and let's see, so right away you can just click into this order and you can just click request a review. Now in this case, I think we've already sent one. Yeah, there you go. But you get the idea. Just click that. It's going to walk you through the steps. It's just going to give you the option to send out a basic templated per Amazon TOS email to ask that customer to leave your review. But besides this, if you actually click on the buyer, contact buyer right here, you actually have these two options here. Now this is for FBA. If you were FBM, you would have these other options too, but we're talking specifically about FBA right now. You'll have the option to send out an invoice message template. So send the customer an invoice for the order. So let's take a look at that. So basically, yeah, it's just going to get, again, a templated message. Thanks for shopping with us, etc., etc. So very simple, straightforward, but it also gives you the option to add an attachment. So maybe you needed to follow up with some instructions. Make sure you go through the click here and read through all the restrictions or requirements or what you can and can't do for these attachments. And you've got your formats listed right here, what you can do in size limit. So yeah, then you would send that. That's an option. And so back up here, other, ask your customer for clarification for a topic not covered by another contact reason. So this actually gives you the option to type out a customized message. So this is where you could actually contact them. And again, like we said in the other one, for the other one, you can add an attachment. So if you just needed to follow up, hey, we wanted to make sure you got these instructions so you can understand how to use the product, etc., you can add that attachment here. Or this is another way you could follow up with them and just say, hey, if you have any issues with the product, please be sure to reply to this message and let us know. So you're kind of being proactive there. So they'll see that in their inbox before they, maybe if they have a problem, they go just straight to Amazon and leave a bad review for you. So you can kind of prevent that by doing that. You can also ask for seller feedback. So that's another. So seller feedback is different from asking for a review. So you could just send a message here just asking, hey, how did we do with your order? Please leave us feedback through the link below, and include a link to where they could actually leave seller feedback. Or again, like I said previously, maybe just have them reply to the email with any questions or concerns. Oh, and one other thing I forgot to mention here is you can't ask them to leave a product review through here and include your link to be able to do that also. This is in the case you had some sort of more clever way of asking for the review and you just didn't want to go with the standard boring TOS version. But just be careful with that, because you don't want to seem like to Amazon that you're trying to influence their decision on leaving a good review, because later Amazon could come in and see that and potentially remove all those reviews that you got through this method, or worse, potentially. So that's it, guys. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about anything I went over. This basically, again, is going to be how you can leave a simple templated review, follow up with instructions, ask for seller feedback, ask for a review in a more customized manner. But also remember, if you do have a much higher sales volume account, probably recommend that you go ahead and look at a tool like Helium 10. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to check that out for a discount. But again, if you're just a smaller seller, you're just getting started up and you need to you're trying to be more careful with your money, this is the way to go. So yeah, give me a thumbs up on the video if you got some value out of this. Go check this out yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.